Hello all, welcome to GSL Logistics. So one of my subscriber comments me make video how freight forwarder work. In this video I will try to cover how freight forwarder work, what is their operation, how shipment move from the exporter country, and how shipment hand over to the freight forwarder, how freight forwarder handle the shipment, and again he move that shipment to the destination country. I will try to explain very practically, very easy way. So this video is going to be a very benefit for who's making their career in agri industry. So let's go to our first slide. So first question, if you want to understand the freight forwarder operation, then first you need to understand why you require the freight forwarder. Okay, so for example, basic knowledge I am trying to explain you here. Suppose he is from Germany. Okay, he is an exporter. He want to dispatch this material in India via sea, via air, depend upon the shipment. Okay, so he know the process of his country, but not the know the process of shipping line, not the process of airline, not the process of the destination country. So for dispatch this material, they have two options. One is go for the courier mode, and second he can go for the freight forwarder mode. Both have a different process. So we are covering here freight forwarder. So suppose now what is the problem is here, who is taking care the freight cost. Suppose India importer is taking care the freight cost, so he will connect, he will visit, he will try to connect with the freight forwarder. The problem is that the shipping line directly not handled to the exporter, not handled to the importer. So freight forwarder is a member of FMC. FMC, Federal Maritime Commission, and for the air shipment he is member the IATA, FIATA. So after they get the registration, after the license they can move that shipment from here to here, and he directly coordinate with the shipping line, with the airline, with the exporter, with the importer. Everyone he will directly connect and try to move that shipment from the exporter country to destination countries. That is why freight forwarder coming to the picture. Hope you understand. Let's go to our next slide. So in this slide we covered the freight forwarder operation very practical way. Okay, a very simple and practical way I will try to explain, as I always explain. Okay, so first suppose he is a exporter from Germany, he is an importer from India. This is a shipment. Before moving the shipment, what is required? They require the agreement between the exporter and importer. So after the agreement, after the payment decide everything, they will decide Incoterms. Incoterms is very important thing for the moving the shipment. Okay, so Incoterm will decide who will. Incoterm is in short, I can say that who will pay, who will the responsible of the shipment, that is decided by the Incoterms. Okay, so in this scenario I take the X work. X work means this exporter will pack the shipment and kept it in their factory. After that, all cost bear by the importer, means he will pick the shipment from that factory, and whatever the charges occurred from there to the shipping line, to the airline, he will to the custom clearance, everything is up to on importer. Okay, so suppose Incoterm has decided. Once Incoterms had decided and shipment has packed, so exporter will share the packing details, because he is the exporter, he have a packaging details. After packaging details, he will share it to the importer. This is a package is ready, so you can pick your shipment from here, and also given the address. What Indian importer will do, he will share that details to the freight forwarder. He will first share the packaging details and ask for the what is the rate, how much rate it will be, and how much time it will take. Every this thing he will check with that. Okay, before taking the before giving the instruction for the pickup. So how freight forwarder provide the rate, because freight forwarder is only the mediator. actual rate coming from the airline or shipping line, they will decide depend upon the current market price. This is very fluctuation happening every time there. Okay, so and it's valid for the 10 days, 5 days, 15 days, depend upon the quotation, 1 month sometime. So what happened? He will share the packaging detail to the airline, to the shipping line, freight forwarder, because he directly coordinated with them. Okay, they have a portal for doing everything. I'm just trying to explain their operation. So he share the details to them and ask for the rate. So airlines have a rate, obviously they have own airlines, they have a rate, they will share it to him and he will forward to him along with that tag. Tag means turnaround time, how much time it will take to reach, because of vessel, if shipment move from the vessel, it will take the 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, depend upon the how much distance between this exporter and importer. So now he got the rate important. Once he got the rate and everything is okay, he will share. He will ask share the agent detail of Germany, because he is might be coming from the any other country, might be coming from the India. So who picked the shipment? Freight forwarder pick the shipment, but he will not direct. He have a counterpart. He have a sub agent in mostly every countries. They have a arrangement. That is why freight forwarder is work, na. So they have a agent. So he will share the agent detail of Germany to the importer. Now he have a import agent details who pick the shipment from the Germany factories. He share this agent details to the exporter in Germany and directed to requested to him that hand over this shipment to this agent. He also share his email ID, his phone number, his address, every detail he will share. Now the Germany exporter will directly coordinate with the agent, and then agent also have a detail forwarded by the freight forwarder. They can send that their vehicle to there and pick their shipment. Now agent, obviously in the Germany they have a vehicles, they have a arrangement, a pickup, they will pick the shipment and share the document to him that we are picking the material from here. Okay, now this slide is completely full. I will continue from the next slide. So suppose shipment picked from exporter premises, shipment picked. So now there, for the pick the shipment, they required give one unique number to identify the shipment. Here the agent, with the help of the airlines, provide the house airway bill details, house airway bill number, that is called HAWB. You hope you heard about that. Now this shipment have a unique number. What agent will do after picking, not directly go for the airport, he will move that shipment to his warehouse. Why? Suppose shipment have not a big volume. If the agent, if the freight forwarder will forward the small volume, they will have to pay the high amount. For saving the amount, what the mostly freight forwarder do, they will pick the multiple shipment from the Germany to the India. Even the importer are different. They keep all shipment in their warehouse and they make a palletized load. Means it have a multiple shipment, even the different importers, for but all for the meant for the India location. Now you can see here it's have a multiple number, and one shipment always required one unique number. With the help of airline, they will issue one unique number which is called master airway bill. That is why master airway bill have a multiple house airway bill number. Okay, and we have also a Hindi YouTube channel. You can, I already made a lot of videos is there. You can visit there, and I already made the video about the master detail, house details is there. Also we have a WhatsApp channel and a Telegram channel. You can also connect with there. If you have any query, you can comment us. Okay, so now palletized load is ready. Freight forwarder, everything is doing the freight forwarder and agent. Okay, Now for the clearance in Germany, this freight forwarder required one CHA, custom house agent in Germany country, because they have a license for the do the clearance formalities. You can see here the importer have no role. The importer have no role for this. They only everything is doing by the freight forwarder. Now freight forwarder have a tie up with the CHA in their country, in the Germany. They will connect the CHA and do the clearance formalities on the behalf of exporter, on the behalf of importer, right? Suppose every formalities has been done, shipment will on board to the flight, into the flight, and what will happen, agent details is over here, because shipment is now dispatched from there. Okay, so what he do, the agent will share the all document, master details, house details, invoice, packaging, whatever they got from the exporter, they will forward it to the freight forwarder before even shipment not reach in India. Okay. Now freight forwarder what to do? He will share the same details is to the importer. So once shipment reach in India, so there is a custom formalities in India he can arrange, he can do in advance. Otherwise they have to pay the penalties. Okay. So now he know he have a tracking detail, he can track the when shipment is coming. So he can plan accordingly. Also this agent forward these details, forward the document to the exporter also, because they have to submit the details to the custom in their country, as per their country's law. Now his role is over, airline role is over, shipment reach in India. Okay, now freight forwarder in India, he is owner of now. After landing in India, there is a custom formalities will be done. So the importer will share his CHA detail. Now CHA come into the picture, custom house agent, and he share this detail to the freight forwarder and tell him this is our freight forwarder. Submit, share the document to him. He will do the custom clearance formalities on the behalf of us. Okay. So freight forward CHA will collect the all documents from the freight forwarder. He will do the custom clearance formality in India. Whatever the formality will be done on the behalf of importer, he will do, and after clearance he will dispatch the shipment to the importer. Now the shipment from the exporter to importer reach here. One more point I missed here, once this palletized load is reach in India, so you remember that this have a multiple importer shipment, so it will open and again segregation will be done, separation will be done, and after that which shipment is belong to him, it will go to directly to the importer. So hope you understand this process. I tried my best to explain you. This is my new YouTube channel. Please like or subscribe. And if you have any query, contact us, comments us. I will try to reply. Thanks for the watching.